Hi. The last segment was on is on branding and branding in general, but I want to talk about something very specifically. This is kind of like branding the next stage. And I want to talk about personal branding. Some people think that they don't have a story. Well, the fact is everybody has a story of some kind. And there's lots of ways to tell your story. We'll talk about that in other training, but it's so important that you understand that you are the brand. If you're going online and you're establishing a brand, first and foremost, you are the brand. What's your story? Well, where did you come from? There's going to be a lot of people out there online. They're going to identify with your story, who you are. They're going to relate to you. Now, there's no one person that's going to relate to everybody, but there's a large market segment that everybody will relate to on some level. That's just reality. Well, if you understand how to build a brand online through a website, it's a powerful, powerful thing. Once you establish a brand and people can trust you and they get to know you and identify with you, it doesn't matter what your product is. You can sell virtually anything if people can come to trust you. If you become an authority on a particular subject, on a particular product, you are the authority and you're able to share information and use your website to share that content and build trust, you've got it. So between your story, who you are, there's only one you. So if you want to stand out in the world of marketing, that one you is going to be unique to what anybody else does. That's you. And people will identify with it. So understanding branding, it's all about you, the individual, your story, what you do, what your journey has been or whatever. There's a way to build your story into a brand that people can trust and know and identify with, and you're going to do business. And again, it doesn't matter what the product is. And needless to say, there needs to be some continuity between who you establish yourself are as, what your authority is, and your knowledge of a particular subject. There needs to be continuity in all those things. But understand that you have a story. It's probably a very good story. A lot of people are going to identify with it, and don't sell yourself short. See you in the next video.